As an fungicide, baking soda can be used as an fungicide. Just add half teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water and spray it in your plants. This will keep away fungal attacks from the plants, and your garden will look healthy with no white spots here and there. Second, as an insect repellent. Baking soda acts as an insect repellent. Just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water, spray it in the plants. You can also sprinkle some baking soda around your plant. This will prevent the pest from getting near your plants and thus will protect your crops. Third is to keep snails and slugs away from your garden. Apply the same amount of baking soda, that is half teaspoon in 1 liter of water, and spray it on the plants. This will keep away slugs and snails. You can also use it in your aquatic garden. This will keep away the slugs from the aquatic garden. Just sprinkle some baking soda around the pot or the tub to repel the animals, especially squirrels and rabbits, who often eat up the fruits and vegetables and other crops and thus destroy your harvest. You can sprinkle some baking soda in your garden. This will keep away the small animals. You can use baking soda in your garden to keep away mealybugs and pests. The attacks of mealybugs is common during the monsoon and the winter. So, in these seasons, baking soda can be effectively used in your garden. Baking soda has an amazing ability to clean the garden tools. Just apply 3 to 4 spoonfuls of baking soda in 1 liter of water. Dip the dirty or rusted garden tools in this water and you will see the next morning the tools are absolutely clean with no rust at all. Isn't it amazing? Baking soda can also be used in your compost bins. Just sprinkle a handful of baking soda in your compost bin and you will see that it prevents stinking of the compost. This is useful not only for you but also your neighbors. Baking soda can also be used to wipe away dust from the indoor plant leaves, and thus this will give a healthier look to your indoor plants with dark green leaves. This will also help the plant in better photosynthesis, as the plant can receive more amount of light as the leaves will be clean and fresh. Baking soda is also very useful to keep away the cabbage worms, and it is an useful hack if you are a kitchen gardener. So this is the must try in your kitchen garden. Baking soda can also act as an excellent weedicide. Just sprinkle some baking soda over the weeds and you will amazingly see that the next day the weeds are killed. But in this process you should take a precaution that the garden should be well established. If not, it may kill the main plants also. Baking soda also helps your flowers to bloom faster. Just add half teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water, spray it on the flowering plants and you will see the amazing hack is working and the flowers bloom at a faster rate. If you love to keep the flowers of your garden indoors by placing them in a glass jar filled with water, baking soda is an amazing product for you. Just add 1 pinch of baking soda in water and you will see that the lifetime of the flower just doubles. Isn't it amazing? Thank you and happy gardening.